This week on Cars and Things Restos, MaXpeedy have contacted me and they've asked me to do them a favour. Let's show you what we got. Welcome to Summer X 35. Welcome to Summer X 36. Welcome back to Cars and Things Restos. Okay, so MaXpeedy got hold of me again and have said they've bought out a new coilover kit, and they asked us if we would put this on the Stato and trial it out for them and show you guys what it's all about. Let's get in and have a bit of a look at it. It's so this kit we put in the Statesman was the original kit, which was 24-way adjustable suspension shockers with the adjustable coilovers, which, to be honest with you, Mick and I are really happy with them. They work a treat. They're really good. Didn't need to think we needed to change them, but they've contacted us and said we've just bought out the new T6 line and the T7 line. They're really good for road, but also track use. The T6, I'm pretty sure, nearly all track. Really good suspension. But we wanted to go middle of the road, so they sent us out the T6 kit, which if we go through and have a bit of a look at it, all the mounting gear will be the same as the original suspension, coilover suspension we had in it before. A little bit different anodizing on it. They've got it, this is black, or it's a gunmetal grey anodizing with the MaXpeedingRods symbol on it. And that's got a little nylon bush. The other one didn't have that, I don't think. But that'll just make it higher, so we don't want to do that. Be interesting if it sits lower. Actually, they actually look thinner. They look thinner through here, so it might make it sit a little bit lower. So as if you remember rightly, the other kit was anodized red, red with black springs. I can't remember. I'd have to have a look. And these ones here are blue springs. Anodized blue springs. I'm pretty sure they're the same rating, the spring. Might have it written on it, does it? No, it doesn't, but I'm sure they're the same rating as what we got before. So the springs themselves will be no different. It'll be in the shocker or the suspension part of it. Well, shocker. There we go. Here's one here. And as you can see, it's a black kit. Not too bad looking, and it's got a different adjuster on the end of it, as you can see, and that makes it a little bit easier to adjust. It should be 24-way, I'm pretty sure, the same as the other one, but I think it's got better valving in it. 1, 2. 21, 22, 23, 24. Yep. So that, I'm pretty sure this has got a lot better valving in it. So to take that off, there's a little Allen key in there. You undo. I would assume that would just slide off. Looks like it's just they've made a knob up that goes on there. Looks pretty good actually. Yes. So we'll have to take all the other ones out. We'll put these in. We'll measure them all up. We'll get them at the same height again. So as you if you remember the Struts, the Struts we need to use the original top mounts for out of the original suspension. And as you can see, if you remember, it's all fully adjustable everywhere. It's got both sides, so you can run each side, and also the panard, not the panard, the sway bar link adjustable, so you can set that up a height where you want it. You can put tension in each side if you need to. Can't do it on the rear one, but on the front you can. You shouldn't need to. But that's what it looks like. Looks pretty good. They've made a pretty good product. I'm pretty happy with it. Worlds look really good. It's doesn't look anodized. It looks like some other type of coating on it. Not sure if you can see there. I think it's paint, but it could be powder coat. I don't know. But pretty good looking bit of kit. So we're going to stick those in the Stato at some stage. It might be a little while before we do that, because we've got a couple of events we want to run it at a couple of car shows. If I get time, I'll slip them in, but we won't be able to test it. We can test it on the road, but we will be testing it at, we've got the Holden National Drags, I think, or the Holden Nationals on here in Mildura on the first weekend of April. It is the weekend after Easter. Can't remember the date. I'll put it up. I'll find the date, put it up for you. So I've got the Holden Nationals, which we have entered the Stato in, and we're going to take her out for a bit of fun. Hey, mate, the big old tank maybe won't do real good. If we can do a 7.7 pass in it, I'll be wrapped. But we're running in the blown class, so we'll be up against, or boosted class, something like that. So we're up against some good cars. I know we're up, I think Luke Foley might even be there with his V8 Commodore. I ain't got a chance in hell of getting near Luke, but what we have entered is dial your own, DYO. So if I can get down there consistently at 7.7s, I'll be wrapped, and we'll see how we go. This means the boys will be chasing me instead of me chasing them. But it's all right. We're going out there to support the boys at the Holden Nationals and have a bit of fun. It is local for us, so it makes it really easy. So if you haven't seen it, jump online, check out Holden Nationals. I think there's still entries. Enter, come up, have a good weekend, come and meet us, come and meet the guys and have a ball, because we definitely will. So getting back to it, we will have this suspension in there for that meeting, and we'll be testing it out and see how this semi-race suspension or track suspension will go compared to the original suspension. Here's hoping it's all going to go all good. So again, we want to thank MaXpeedingRods. You guys are legends. I know that you're sending it out us to test it, and we'll give it a good hard test for you and see how it goes. And we'll show you the people and tell you what we think of it. And you know what? Already, the kit we've already got in it, which I believe it's like 400 odd bucks for that kit that's in it, which works superb. So if you're after a really good an affordable coilover kit, get onto these guys, MaXpeedingRods, because it is a really, really good kit. All right, compared to the stuff that we've used before, like the stuff I've got in Mako, which is, I think it's BC coilover kit. That was quite expensive. It was up around the $1,400 mark, I'm pretty sure. Very good kit, but as in ride, I would not be able to tell you the difference in ride between both of them. They are both adjustable, and they ride beautiful. These MaXpeedingRods suspension kits, excellent. Do yourself a favour, get out there and jump on and get yourself a pair or a set. And let me also tell you, if you jump on there and you use code CARS1, I'm pretty sure you're going to get 5% off. So do that, and you'll help us out here on the channel as well. Alrighty, well, thank you for coming along and watching. I probably won't show you putting it in the car. You've seen me do it before. We want to show you what it rides like and what it performs like. So we'll get another video happening at some stage and show you that. Rightio. Thanks for coming along and watching. If you haven't subscribed, please jump on and subscribe, hit the bell, share with your friends, and we'll see you next time. Cheers.